Welcome again. In this lecture, I will teach you how can you access the folders and read the files. For example, in the same folder that I created in the first lecture, we have three folders are different, A and B and C. And I created email. And inside this email, I have email.txt file. When I try to rename this folder, you can see here email.txt. You can also do this if you have email. For example, cpp, c++ or .cxml or .html or anything else. So you can see here the email. But the question here, how can I access this email by using Termux or this file engineer? It's easy. Let's do it. Just type cd and enter to SD card. Okay guys, ls and cd Termux, the file that I created, and ls. You can see here guys, this is the directory. When I type out for print working directory, you can see here email or SD card / Termux. This is my directory right now. So I want to enter to email and ls. You can see here guys, email.txt. So how can I access this file? For example, you want to read all this content by command via Termux. Okay, so let's do it. We use here cut for reading any file. Cut, and after that name the file that you want to read. Email, for example here email, and press enter. You can see here guys, this is the email. This is the email, all the content that you have in the file. This is the email. Okay, so here we use also less. Okay, we use also less. So firstly I want to clear this all this content and ls, and we use, as you tell you, less also is a Linux utility which can be used to read content of text file on page, that is meaning on one screen per time. It has a faster access because if files are large, it doesn't access the complete file but access it page by page. So let's do it. Just type the file that you want to read after the less or the command and press enter, as you can see here guys, as you can see here. And for get this file, just press on K again, less and email, enter, as you can see here. And if you want to get, just type key. Okay, see you in the next lecture.